This is Matt Dimitroshin of Telemus Capital with the weekend review for the week ending November 15th of 2019. It was another record-setting week with the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq Composite all setting record highs. The S&P 500 lifted 0.9%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average appreciated 1.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite was up 0.8%. Small caps were left out of the rally and actually fell 0.2%. Russell 2000 index, as indicated in the chart in the lower right corner, remains below its 2018 high and has been range-bound throughout most of 2019. Most of this week's gains came on Friday as members of the Trump administration indicated an agreement on a phase one of a trade deal was near. Defensive-oriented sectors led the way during the week as healthcare, real estate, and utilities were the leaders, while the laggards included energy, financials, and consumer discretionary sectors. The corporate front, Disney launched its new Disney Plus streaming service and said that 10 million users signed up for it in the first day. Boeing said that it expects to resume deliveries of the 737 MAX airplanes in December. Walgreens Boots Alliance reportedly received a leveraged buyout offer from KKR. And lastly, Cisco shares fell this week on the backs of disappointing quarterly earnings guidance. In fixed income markets, Treasury prices finished higher, meaning that yields fell. Two-year Treasury yield declined 5 basis points to close the week out at 1.61% rate, while the 10-year Treasury yield fell 10 basis points and finished the week yielding 1.83%. The dollar depreciated by 0.4% on the week, and crude oil was up 0.9% to close out at $57.75 a barrel. As we look ahead to the coming week, market participants are likely to be parsing through the Fed's minutes, which will be released on Wednesday, followed by several economic indicators being reported on Thursday and Friday. That concludes the week in review for the week ending November 15th of 2019.